Welcome everybody. Again, I will give the another math in the whiteboard. Last math, same math. Find the constant term or independent term in the extension of x square 2 plus 1 by x square to the 6 and find its value. This is a very important math. You must remember it. It is very important math. It comes often. Very important math. Now it solves x square plus 2 plus 1 by x square 6. You can write in here. You follow this. This has the sum of 3 terms, but you have to arrange sum of 2 terms. Then x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x by 1 by x square by 6. You write x plus 1 by x, that is 2. This is the 2 to the power 6. You also write x plus 1 by x to the power 12. This is the, I have arranged it, the sum of 2 terms to the power 12. Find the constant term or independent term. There are a lot of books in intermediate. Some writer retain the constant terms. Some writer retain in the book independent terms. Constant or independent. Then let r plus 1 terms independent of x, r plus 1 terms independent of x in the extension. Let you write same system. Let r plus 1 term, r plus 1 terms is independent of x in the expansion. In the expansion, you write expansion of x plus 1 by x to the power 12. Then you write same system, r plus 1 term, you write NCR, 12CR, x to the power n minus r. And n, that means 12, r to the power 1 minus x to the power r. You can write it 12CR, x to the power 12 minus r, x to the power minus r. You can write 12CR, x to the power 12 minus twice r. By the conditions, you write 12 minus 2r is equal to what? 0. Then 2r is equal to 12, r is equal to 6. Therefore, you can write 6 plus 1 or 7th term. 7th term is independent of x. And in the question, there are 2 questions in here. Find the constant terms or independent of x. The 7th term is the constant, and constant term of the independent of x terms you can write. Then value of this term, find its value. Value of the term is you write 12C7. Then you write 12C is, you can do the calculation, you will get this result. You write it 12 plus 6 times 12 is 6. Here is 6. Here is 6. You can write, after calculator you will get the 924. You usually use the calculator 12C6. You can easily find out this result. Answer. Very important maths. It comes in the board. Find the constant terms of independent of in the term in the expansion and find its value. You have same system. You can easily find out this result. Now I will discuss about the another theorem. How do you find out the middle term of the binomial expansion? To find the middle term of the binomial expansion of a plus x to the power n. It is the theorem. If in the expansion 1 plus x to the power n, 1 plus x to the power n, it is the expansions. In the index, n is the index. If n is even, then in the expansion of a plus x to the n, there is only one middle term, which is n by 2 plus 1 term. N by 2 plus 1 term is the middle term. N means this. The middle term is n c n by 2 a n minus n by 2 x to the power n by 2. It is the when n is even. Again, another is sir, n is even, it must maybe odd. If n is odd, when n is odd, then in the expansion of a plus x to the power n, there are two middle terms, which is, you must remember it, which is n minus 1 by 2 plus 1 terms and n plus 1 by 2 plus 1 terms. There is two middle terms in here. You can follow it. You must write. You keep in your mind. Coefficient of first middle term in the expansion is nc n minus 1 by 2 is n minus 1 by 2. You can write, you know the combination formula NCR. And NCR, you can write NCR. Factorial n divided by r, factorial n minus r. You apply this formula. NC n minus 1 by 2, you write, is equal to factorial n minus 1 by 2. That means r, n into n minus by 2. After calculation, you will get this. After calculations like this, you can understand properly. You understand this. And the coefficient of the second middle term is nc n plus 1 by 2. You apply this formula like this. You apply this formula, factorial n, then r means n plus 1 by 2. Instead of r, you can write n plus 1 by 2 into n plus by 2. After calculation, you will get this like this. You must keep in your mind. Then already we find the middle term of the binomial expansion of a plus x to the power n. Clear? You always remember it and you will follow it. Then according this formula, I will solve the two maths. Now I have written in the problems. Find the middle term in the expansion of 3x square minus 1 by 2x to the power 8. Now you can write 3x square minus 2x 1 by 2x to the power 8. Here in 8, which is even. Already I have discussed about the theorem, how to find out the middle term of the expansion. Here is the even. When you get the even, you know that there is only one middle term. Clear? In the expansion, in the given expansion, you know the formula n by, in the expansion, the n means 8 by 2 plus 1 or 4 plus 1. That means fifth terms, 4 plus 1 term is the 4 plus 1 term is the middle term of the expansion, is the middle term of the given expansion. Now 4 plus 1 term is 4 plus 1 term. You can write NCR, that means 8C4 3x squared to the power n minus r, 8 minus r into minus 1 by 2x to the power r. Clear? Then you write it 8c4 3 to the power 4. 8 minus 4 means 3 to the power 4 and x to the power 8. Then minus 1 divided to x to the power 4 is the even power, then minus will be the positive. So write 2 to the power 4 into x to the power 4. Clear? You do calculation, what will be this? 8c4. Then you write 3 to the power 4, 2 to the power minus 4, x to the power 4. After calculation, you will get the result 200,2835 divided by 8. 8 x to the power 4 is the answer. Clear? Then now find the middle term in the extension of this. Here is the even number. There is only one middle terms. You apply the formula n by 2 plus 1 terms. N means 8 divided by 2 plus 1, 4 plus 1. The term is the middle term. Now the 4 plus 1 term is this. This is the middle term in the expansion. Now I will give another example. Now another maths of the middle terms. Find the middle term in the expansion of x square plus 1 by x whole to the power 7. Here is the odd number. When you get the odd number, power odd number, you will get the two middle terms. Clear? You get, suppose here n is equal to 7, which is odd numbers. Clear? Odd numbers, we get odd numbers, there are two middle terms in the expansion. In the given expansion of x square 1 by x cube 7, and in the expansion of then you write 7 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 and 7 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 or 3 plus 1 and 4 plus 1 term. Clear? There are two middle terms in here. Here is the 3 plus 1 terms and 4 plus 1 terms are middle terms. The first middle terms you can write 4 plus 1 terms. 4 plus first middle term is 7 NCR 7 C3 x to the power x square to the power n minus 3 into 1 by x cube to the power 3. You write 7c3 x to the power 8 into 1 by x9. After calculation, you will get this 35 by x. You use the calculator, you can result. And the second middle term, there are two middles in here. Second middle terms is 7c4 x squared 7 minus 4 into 1 minus x to the power cube 4. You write 7c4 x to the power 6 into 1 by x to the power 12. Then after calculation, what will be results? 35 by x to the power 6. 35 by x to the power 6. This is the answer. Clear? Now, find the middle term of expansion. This x square 1 by x cube 7. In the power is the odd. That is the two middle terms. then 7 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 and 7 minus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is the 3 plus 1, r plus 1 terms, that means 3 plus 1 terms and 4 plus 1 terms are middle terms. The first middle terms you can write NCR. In 7CR means 3x squared to the power 7 minus 3. This after calculation. After calculation you will get the 35 by x, and second middle term, there is the 4 plus 1 term, r plus 1, you compare it, you will get the 7 4x squared to the power 7 minus 4 into 1 minus x 4 is equal to 7c to the 4 into x to the 6, 1 by x to the power 6. After calculation you will get the 35 x to the 6. Because this 7c4 you apply this by using the calculator, you can easily find out the results. Then I have discussed about the binomial expressions and also discussed about the theorem, and depends on theorem I will solve sum of maths. I hope that all the students you will see the video attentively. If any problem will arise from your side, you will discuss the you written in the Viber, I will solve again, and sum of solving problem I will provide in your Viber. You follow it, and see you again. Thank you all, everyone.